What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to Race Day, where we've got the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster going up against 6 amazing Hot Wheels hypercars. First, let's have a look at the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. There it is, such a beautiful looking casting, a brand new casting from Hot Wheels for 2019. All the right lines, all the right colors, the right wheels, the front tampos. Amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's going to be going up head to head against each one of these Hot Wheels hypercars. First up, we've got the McLaren P1 in yellow with the gray wheels on there. Then next up, we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder silver with the black wheels. And after that, we've got the Lamborghini Veneno orange with the black wheels and the chrome lip on them. And after that, we've got the Ferrari red, of course, like Ferrari should be, with those nice chromed out wheels on there. After that, we've got the McLaren Senna, a brand new 2019 casting. It's going to be the first time we see the Senna go up against the Centenario Roadster. And last but not least, the big bad Bugatti Veyron. Check that one out. Wow, wow, wow. I know you guys love the Bugattis. So we've got that one going up against that one. Let me know in the comments down below, who do you think is going to win? Who do you think is going to be the fastest hypercar? Is it going to be the Centenario Roadster, or is it going to be one of these ones? Let's get the P1 and the Centenario Roadster ready for race number 1. Race number 1 cars are all set. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster takes out the McLaren P1 in race number 1. That means it's 1-0 for the Centenario Roadster. Now we've got the other hypercar Lamborghini going up against the Centenario Roadster, the Lamborghini Veneno. There it is in that orange color. Here we go, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! Lamborghini Centenario Roadster takes the win, taking out another Lamborghini, the Lamborghini Veneno. So the Veneno and the P1 will face the wall as they've lost, but now we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder. There it is. 2 nice looking castings. Who do you think is going to take the win? Comment down below. Let's see and find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! The Centenario Roadster goes 3 for 3, taking out the Porsche 918 Spyder. But now it is time for the Ferrari LaFerrari. We're getting into the good stuff. Here we go, guys. Who's gonna take this one? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! Four races and 4 hypercars eliminated. The LaFerrari, the last one to get eliminated. But now it's time for the Centenario Roadster to face off against the Senna. Ooh, this is gonna be good. 2 brand new 2019 castings. Who's gonna be the faster one? Is it gonna be the Centenario Roadster or the Senna? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And the Centenario Roadster goes 5 for 5, eliminating the Senna in the last race. Can it beat the Bugatti Veyron to go 6 for 6? This is gonna be an interesting race. What do you think, guys? Is the Centenario Roadster the new king of the hypercars? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! Wow, guys, can you believe that the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster takes out all 6 hypercars? 6 for 6 for the Centenario Roadster. I cannot believe how fast it is. Do you think we should give the Centenario Roadster an opportunity to be the fastest peak time racing Hot Wheel of all time? The Jaguar XJ220 is the current champion we're gonna give it a go. A best of 3 opportunity to see if the Centenario Roadster can actually be the fastest Hot Wheels ever. Let's find out. Race number 1, on your mark, get set, go! Jaguar XJ220 takes the win in race number 1, but now it's time to see, can the Centenario Roadster get a win to continue on, or is the Jaguar going to remain the champion? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! There you have it, guys. The Centenario Roadster, the king of the hypercars, but it can't beat the champ. But still, I'm very shocked and surprised how fast the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster is. I'm very happy to see it race in some upcoming races in the future. But until then, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.